In Chapter 5, one of the first things that we looked at, although we didn't look at it until later in the semester, but it is a part of Chapter 5, is the idea of this and that and which. And in Japanese, we have two different words depending on whether the object that you're talking about is included. So our basic word for this is kore. Our that is sore. That over there away, some distance away, is are. And which is dore. Remember that which one is depends upon the speaker. Just like you would in English, the thing closest to you would be the this. The thing a little farther away from you would be a that, and a thing way over across the way, you would probably say, look at that over there. So it's whoever is talking that the this or the that works with. So this and that there, which is great. In English, we would just say this pen, but in Nihongo, we have to have the this, the kore, grab the pen, in other words, to say this pen. And usually the signal that we use for that is no. So the no gets incorporated in here, and we'll take our kore with our no, and this becomes kono something, sono something, ano, and dono. It's a good multiple choice question because we'll give you the word pen and we'll give you a blank and we'll give you a combination. We'll say which one fits. And so if the item is there and the this is supposed to go or that is supposed to go right in front, you always pick the one with the no for that. We also looked at favorites. And in Japanese, for favorite, it's always the ichiban, the number one. Now, favorite would probably be daisuki. My favorite daisuki na something wa something desu. But you don't just have to use favorite. You could use any adjective here. So you could say the ichiban omoshiroi, the most interesting, the ichiban hen na item, the most weird. Anything that is in there that you want to describe and that you're using an adjective to describe. We also looked at because. And because was a little bit different than English because in Japanese, we put the reason first. And then we put our word for because, which is kara. And then after that, we put the outcome. So we can say, pizza ga daisuki desu. So that's the reason why takusan tabemasu. The reason why I like pizza, so the reason why I eat a lot of pizza is because I like it. And then our kara goes in the middle. If you're not sure which goes which, in English, say the sentence with the because part first. It's the because part that is the reason. And the outcome is just what happens because of the reason. So this is why you are doing what you're doing, or why something is happening. And they'll say, hey, why are you eating a lot of that? And you'll say, well, because I like pizza. The other thing we looked at was one of our famous words here, panianimo. And for that, you can go and refer to the separate video.